What up, gang? This is your boy C-Spec Kurt, man, and we out here today. Got some parts in for the Malibu, man. Got some Malibu parts in, and we gotta get things thrown on, man. So, just gonna come to you, let you see what I got. We're gonna rip these things out the box. Let's give you some ideas on some things that you could do for your G-body as well. All right, so where did I put this stuff at, man? I got all this stuff out here in this garage, man. It's crazy. Okay, here we go. All right, so this is what I got for the G-body, man. All right, let's check it out. Not like the good old workbench on the back of the C10. All right, man. So I ordered some HID lights for the G-body. Okay. Yeah. All right. So this is one of the lights right here. All right, guys, check it out right here. This is what I got, man. I got some bulbs for the C10, and I decided to go with some it's glass. It's aftermarket, but it looks amazing. It looks very good. But yeah, I went with some HID bulbs to go inside of this, man. Looking for some awesome lighting at night with these. Okay, it's gonna be a while before y'all can see them in action, but for the time being, you can at least see what they look like. And these are cushy rays, no UV or IR radiation, high brightness LED, high energy efficient, low power consumption, 360-degree beam angle, operating temp -40 to +80 degrees Celsius. Yeah, just looking for awesome results with these babies. This is what came with the headlights when I ordered it. Right here, very small. Although it's LED, but it's nowhere near the intensity we're going to be getting out of this here. As you can see here, this comes with the fan, a cooling fan to keep the temperatures down. Okay, we're going to ensure we're not burning anything out or anything as such. It also comes with a harness, as you can see right here, converts from your stock harness to the fitting of the headlight. So that's going to plug right up in there. And yeah. That's what that all about, gang. That's what that is all about. So we're looking forward to that. Looking forward to that right there. So stay tuned, okay? But yeah, let's go over here and take a look at the G-body just so you can see where we at right now. What's up, bro? What's up, man? But yeah, man, so we ordered our baskets for our headlights. Got them installed on this G-body right here, as you can see. Got the spring in here, got the spring down there behind it. Got brand new hardware here. I got them screwed all the way in. So hopefully shouldn't have to make too many adjustments once we get everything tightened down. I got, let's see. All right, my grill. Just checking it out. But yeah, I just ordered my park lamps and I ordered me a new grilled frame headlight bezel to go right here on this side. I'm just sitting here looking at my grill currently, just wondering if I'm gonna need to order another one. Debating on it. If I do, this one is already cut out. I just have to attach it in there. As you can see, this is a stock grill with the mesh installed, has screws holding it to the grill. And it looks pretty clean though, it looks pretty nice. So we'll get plenty of cool air in there like that. But yeah, that's her right there, man. Got the 19s installed on there as well. Happens to look pretty good. High offset. Had to throw the adapters on there, 2-inch adapters to make that work. And it's very clean as far as the install. This here is 265/30 19s. The front wheel is by 9.5. The rear wheel is by 11s. Okay, so we got 11-inch wide. Rubbers back here in the back. Tire size is 295/30 19. Plenty of meat back there. Okay. Yeah. But that's it right there for the G-body, man. Just want to come to you, let you see the headlights, what they're gonna look like. I'm gonna go ahead and put this down, throw them on, and come back to you so you can see how fresh it looks, man. So stay tuned. Man, y'all won't believe it, man. You know, the other day I said that I'm a I said I'd be right back. I'm gonna let you guys see this thing after I throw it together real quick, like. And you know what? It's let's see, that was Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 3 days later, and I'm back because I had to order another headlight. Okay. All right. See, I put a headlight in. Then the other one, I sat it here to go look at my phone because I had a notification. I pushed it in there. I thought it was holding firm enough to stay till I got back. Before I could get back, I heard boom, pew, glass shatter on the ground. Bam, right there. Messed up my whole day, man. So I had to sit here like this with a black eye and everything. I hit up the seller, let them know what happened. They might send me out another one for free, I'm not sure. But we're gonna see. But anyway, I ordered some more. This is what I got right here. And at that same time is when I also said that I need to order this, the bezels, park lamps. All that stuff that came in. I got my side marker lamps right here, as you can see. All that stuff that came in. Okay, so now, finally, we're gonna get this stuff thrown on the Malibu, come right back, let you guys see what it looks like with everything thrown on the Malibu. All right, gang, check it out. One thing you wanna go ahead and do while you in here messing around with your headlights and stuff is you wanna replace little things like this right here. All right, you see that there? These things are old and brittle. They're gonna break. See how easy that broke? That thing is freaking ancient. Push all that mess out of there. Go ahead and throw you some new ones in there. These are headlight retaining clips. All right, these are some old ones I had. And I ordered these off Amazon. Well, these are some new old ones that I had. Got these off Amazon here. But I'll just go ahead and throw some matching ones in here all the way around. Let's pull these new old ones out. As you can see, they're not breaking. All right, but I want to put all matching things in here, so just go ahead and do that now. But yeah, definitely go on Amazon and look up your headlight retaining clips and go ahead and throw that new stuff in there so that you can have a little bit of reassurance that nothing's just gonna fall out of there. All right, so let's go ahead and get the rest of the stuff mounted up in here. We got our headlight retaining clips in here. I'm gonna bounce right over here. Don't need these to the side. Let's bounce right here to this side, guys. Just gonna throw them in over here as well. All right, so like I said, we wanna get rid of all these old 30-plus-year-old parts. Get that mess out of there. As you can see, it's not trying to come out in one piece because it's so freaking old, man. It's just so old. I just want to get rid of all that stuff, okay? And I'm gonna pull this new one out because I got matching parts, so I want everything to be matching as well, okay? All right, gang, so check it out. My headlight came with some type of little, I guess I can use it for whatever I want. Park lamp, signal lamp, or whatever. But I got these lights off Amazon, man, and they got the bulb on the exact same side of both lights. So when you're looking at it from the front, you got the blue bulb on the left side. Why wouldn't they make the bulb symmetrical? Like one on this side and the other lamp is on the outside so they can be the exact same. I don't understand that, okay? So anyway, let's go ahead and throw this baby in here. It is what it is. I went ahead and put my terminal connectors on here so that it'll be less of a headache to do later when I start wiring up everything. Go ahead and put the connectors on there now, so all I gotta do is plug and play. All right, so definitely keep that in mind. You don't wanna make work more difficult in the future when it's time to start wiring everything up, okay? So with that being said, I'm not gonna set myself up like last time and leave this sitting here. I'm gonna go over here and get my screws like I supposed to have done already. All right, gang, so I got my screws in hand. Let me pull them out and let me step over here and get my wrench because I'm trying to set myself up for failure again. I don't wanna do that. Let's go ahead and throw this baby in. All right, so as you can see, we got the headlight in place. At this point, we're gonna go ahead and throw our screw in here. Now, I already used the tapping screw, or a screw that I'm not using to secure this bezel, to run through each of these holes that I'm putting these screws in now, because when you first get a brand new light basket, it's not gonna have threads. You're gonna wanna run a screw through each of them. And I just grabbed a random screw that was about the same size as these, ran it through, and it worked out perfect. Cause I didn't wanna risk messing up my own head of this screw. So I used a different screw and ran the holes for all of the bezels, for all of the baskets, before using my screws that I'm going to secure the bezel with. Last but not least, alrighty gang, so we got our headlights installed. On to the next. Alright gang, so let's go ahead and throw our bezel on. The way you secure this here is simply placing it. Remember, 78, 79, this is what it looks like. It has the horizontal secured thing. You drop it in the hole here and you just push it in. I have to order me some clips that attaches to the front fascia so that I can secure this park lamp to those clips. I don't have them currently, so what I'm gonna do is just use the bezel to secure everything, and I'll take care of that later. I go on Amazon and order those parts and I should be good to go. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start applying my screws. I'm gonna go from there. I'm just gonna start it up for now, get them all in place, and then I use my drill to finish the task off. Let me go grab my screws because I only brought one for some reason. All right, gang, as you can see, I got my bezel in place right here. I'm gonna go ahead and start securing my bezel with my drill. I'm gonna turn this thing all the way down to the lowest torque because I don't wanna risk breaking this plastic. This is a plastic bezel, okay? And even though it's at the lowest, I'm still gonna back it off just a tiny bit. Don't need a lot of torque. Don't need a lot of pressure to secure this baby. I just had surgery, gang. Can't be moving my arm so fast. Whew. That's why you want to have your sling on, because your sling will remind you that you can't just move your arm that fast and be done tore some out of place quickly. All right, gang, there we go. Looking brand new, like new money. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and throw the other side in, and yeah, then we're gonna move on to our side markers. Gang, 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 gang. Before you put your bezel on, don't forget to put this on, man. I just had to take all this off to put this on, so don't forget that part. We're back out here. As you can see, man, we're getting somewhere. As you can see, we're finally getting somewhere. Everything is looking very, very, very good, man. Okay. All right. So we got the headlights installed. Man, it's on go from here, man. I'm telling you, just gonna keep on going, gonna keep on advancing the looks of this baby here, one part at a time. Next thing I wanna do is I wanna go ahead and order a windshield, get a windshield ordered, get this dash fixed, take all this trim off. I got a guy that's gonna polish all this stuff up, get some trim for the front windshield because I already have it for the rear window. So I'm just missing trim for the front windshield. My door seals, I'm gonna take them to him as well so he can get that taken care of. But man, it's not an easy job, man. It's gonna be a lot of work, but It's definitely worth putting in for the end result. We got the engine in there, just a little bit more time, man. And we're gonna get this baby what we wanted, so just stay tuned. This is your boy. This is your boy, C-Spec Kurt, man. Amazon, eBay, that's where I'm hitting up for these parts. You know what I'm saying? Got a spare bulb here. Hopefully they mail me another one from where I dropped the match to it. Got some LEDs right here. I might put them on the G-Body community on Facebook. Got these old bezels right here. Garbage, but you know, I might post it up for somebody that might need it. You know what I'm saying? You know, I stay looking out for the team, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, it's your boy C-Spec Kurt, man. I'm out of here. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel. In the meantime, stay tuned for the next video.